Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you newest micro bags from Louis Vuitton. Honestly guys, I told myself that I'm over with micro bags because I already have tons, but every time I would be seeing new ones, I would really want to take a bite. So for the Louis Vuitton bags that we are going to discuss, these are the latest babies of Louis Vuitton. So we are going to discuss all the good stuffs, of course, the prices, the dimension, what can you fit inside, a comparison between the old and the new micro bags, everything all about these guys. So this is going to be an exciting, fun episode, so make sure you watch the entire episode. Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at RomeroVi2. So guys, before we discuss the new Louis Vuitton bags, a quick PSA guys. The reason why I mentioned I have a new Instagram account because my old one, the @RomeroVi, has been disabled by IG. I'm really not feeling love with Instagram. They disabled it. They're saying that I violated the community protocols, in which I'm not really sure what they're talking about because I don't have any information. So I already lodged a complaint, but I'm sure I would not be getting my old Instagram account. So, you know, I will not cry about spilled milk. I'll just move on, and I have just created my new account. So guys, if you are following me on my old one, please do connect with me on my new Instagram account. That's @RomeroVi2. I'm going to link it over here and put it on the description box as well. Let us begin. Alright, so the very first micro bag from Louis Vuitton that we are going to discuss is the micro METIS. So online, so unfortunately it's not available, but the price is $2,030 before tax. So let us discuss first the specification of this very beautiful and yummy micro METIS. So the length, height, and width, that is 5.5 inches by 4.3 inches in height, and the width is 1.4 inches. So among the three new micro bags that I would be discussing you, this is the only micro bag that unfortunately cell phones would not fit in. I'm going to try put some videos here if I could get some of what we could put inside, but mainly what we could put inside are just like a card holder or our cards, then a lipstick, then that's it. The material of this one is in monogram front leather. The chain drop is 18 inches, so that is good. I feel you could carry this as a shoulder bag and as a crossbody. Then of course, gold hardware, S-lock closure, comes with 2 compartments and has a textile lining. So what I love about the micro METIS, as we know guys, the pochette METIS is one of the well-loved design of Louis Vuitton. Everyone has the pochette METIS. They love it. It's very functional. The size is right. Definitely you could fit a lot and transform it from day to evening. So as we know guys, Louis Vuitton has been coming up with very good bags lately, especially with their micro bag selection as well, you know, joining the bandwagon of the micro bag trend. So when they have released, I think a month ago, they have released the micro METIS, everyone went a little bit crazy because it's so cute, but everyone's just wondering what they could fit in. So guys, if you're interested with this one, definitely, like what I mentioned, don't expect that you would be able to fit your phone. But you know, all of us, whenever we are going out, we don't normally put our phones inside our bag. So honestly guys, I like this one. I have visited our Louis Vuitton store here, both in Soler and the flagship store. I have not seen the micro METIS. Maybe it would sell out immediately as soon as they land the store. Maybe the best way that you would be able to get this one is through your CA. So unfortunately, I missed the boat on this one, but hopefully I could still see, you know, this one in the future, because looking at this one, I know I've mentioned earlier that I'm over with micro bags because I already have a lot in my collection. So as you know, I have my Louis Vuitton Petite Sac Plat, and I super love this one, but I wouldn't mind adding the micro METIS to my collection. Alright, the second new micro bag from Louis Vuitton is the NANO NOE. So the new NANO NOE's price at louisvuitton.com is 1,760 USD. So let's do a little bit comparison because there is a huge difference from the new NANO NOE to the old one. So the price of the old NANO NOE is 1,350 USD. So let us again compare the dimension of this one. So the height of the new NANO NOE is 5.1 inches, whereas the old one, so it's the same 5.1 inches. And then the height, this is where there would be a little bit of difference. With the new NANO NOE, the height is 6.3 inches, the old one is 5.9 inches. And then the width, there's a minuscule difference of the width. So the new one is 3.9 inches and the old one is 3.5 inches. And then of course for the strap drop, for the new NANO NOE, the maximum, because this is adjustable, and one of the best feature of the new NANO NOE is 22 inches, whereas the old NANO NOE, so if I'm not mistaken, this is a non-detachable strap and the drop is only 21.7 inches. So a little bit difference, but like what I've mentioned, so the newest feature of the NANO NOE, as we are going to compare with the old one, so one of the huge difference of the two NANO NOEs definitely on how they look. So aside from the price and of course the height. So as we are going to see the old NANO NOE, the leather trimmings, it's the untreated vachetta, but we are going to notice with the new NANO NOE, the vachetta that it comes with, it's already pre-treated. For some, they don't like the pre-treated, but me honestly, I would really go for the pre-treated vachetta because I love the honey colored of the treated vachetta already. Then we are also going to notice that the closure of the new NANO NOE, it already comes with the leather strap, so you could tighten it and it would not, you know, open up on its own. However, I've watched like one review of this NANO NOE and she said one of the con of this new micro bag, even though it has that leather strap, you know, when you are going to still, you know, fill up your bag, sometimes there's a tendency that it would loosen up. So I guess another trick for you to be able to use this one is after tightening the leather strip, then you can still tie a knot, so you know it would not go loose. And of course, we are going to see at the base of the new NANO NOE, so there's a huge strip of the treated vachetta. And if I'm not mistaken, the bottom part of this one, what I super love comparing to the regular NOE bucket bags, because the regular ones, the underneath portion is, you know, entire would be vachetta, which is for me, I'm super scared. But for the NANO NOE, it is the bottom part is a monogram canvas, so you are not going to be afraid and be very delicate with it whenever you're going to put your bag maybe on the table or anywhere else. Then of course, what I super love about the NANO NOE, I'm saying what I love because honestly guys, when I've seen this one, my jaw dropped literally. So the NANO NOE comes now with two straps. So one would be of course the detachable longer shoulder strap. So the longer shoulder strap, as we are going to see here, it comes with the buckles plus the holes because it is fully adjustable to the length of your liking. Then of course it comes with the tiny top handle that is also fully detachable, which for me guys, I super love the look of the new NANO NOE compared to the old one. Definitely I would want to see this in person. Again, with the review that I've seen, I feel that definitely we could put in more compared to the old one. Plus, we could put your phones inside the new NANO NOE. Super love this new version of the NANO NOE Louis Vuitton bag. Alright, for the last micro bag that I would like to discuss, honestly, this is one that I really love to add to my collection, is the new NANO SPEEDY. So the new NANO SPEEDY at louisvuitton.com, the price is $1,760 US. So this is the monogram canvas. Let us discuss first the dimension because this is very, size-wise guys, this is very different with the old NANO SPEEDY. So the length of the new NANO SPEEDY is 6.3 inches, height is 3.9 inches, and width is 3 inches. So I would be putting here a photo of a side-by-side comparison of the old NANO NOE, of the old NANO SPEEDY and the new NANO SPEEDY, because I think this new NANO SPEEDY, this is the original size of this type of bag. I'm not really sure of the name, but I'm going to put the vintage version here as well. But with my reviews and, you know, checking other bag unboxing of the new NANO SPEEDY, I'm happy that they're still able to put in their phone. So let me just measure my phone one moment. Alright, so the phone that I have is an iPhone 6s Plus, and the measurement is around 6.1 inches, whereas the length of the new NANO SPEEDY is 6.3, and the trick that they're doing is that they're putting it like this diagonally and then putting it sideways, and you would still be able to put your phone. And then of course it comes with the gold color hardware, and of course the newer addition to this bag is now the shoulder strap is fully detachable. And good thing about this NANO SPEEDY, so Louis Vuitton is not slowing down in doing this kind of design, because the first one that they have released, of course, is the monogram version. Then I think simultaneously they have released the pink denim, the denim collection in pink. So I'm going to put a photo here as well. And now guys, launching couple of days time, the Stardust collection, they are going to release a NANO SPEEDY in very beautiful pink color, pink Stardust color. I'm going to put a photo here as well. We're in last Saturday, I have just published a review of the new Stardust collection. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to include that one. So I'm happy that they are, you know, just and then of course, before I forget, they are going to release in July the bi-color NANO SPEEDY. And among all these, so we have the monogram, the pink denim NANO SPEEDY, and then of course the Stardust, then of course the bi-color. So they already have 4 designs if I'm not mistaken. And among all these 4, the bi-color, the black and white NANO SPEEDY is what is truly calling out and shouting my name. So actually, I have already checked with my CA the last time that I visited our Louis Vuitton store here, and I've asked if he could put me on waitlist. I hope he will. He said that he is going to message me once this NANO SPEEDY is really orderable. But upon seeing the Stardust NANO SPEEDY, you know, I'm really tempted also to, you know, order this one as well, because I love the color, I love the treatment of the leather, I love, you know, how it looks like unicorn, iridescent a little bit. It's very similar on the treatment with the Keepal XS, the one with the green blue combination. I miss on that one. I'm still checking if I could still order that one. Unfortunately, I'm sure I couldn't get it anywhere unless I would be paying premium for that bag. Anyway, going back to the topic, so I super love the NANO SPEEDY. Although guys, one regret maybe with the new NANO SPEEDY, I think I am still more in love with the older size, because with the older size, it's a little bit bigger, you could fit a lot more, because of course, yes, it's a nano or a micro bag, because as much as possible, we would still want to be able to fit as much so that we could carry this from a day kind of bag and then transform it into an evening bag as well. What do you think, guys? There, how did you enjoy our micro bag selection of Louis Vuitton? So let me know, guys, among the 3, which one is your favorite. Me personally, the NANO SPEEDY is calling out my name. So hopefully I could add one to my collection. Again, guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video, and follow me, guys, again on my new Instagram account at Ramiro52. Again, guys, a million thank yous for staying with me in this episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!